Welcome to the InnoQuestions Clients area. In this video, we will show you the section of statistical validation and metadata in results. We will know here the composition of the metadata sample and the statistical validity achieved. InnoQuestion recommendation is that your margin of error doesn't exceed the 5%. In this way, your results will be extrapolated to the whole organization. In the first place, we can see the percentage of the participation obtained for the entire organization in a global box. In this case, our participation has exceeded 89%, calculated versus the number of INVTs. Also, we can see that the margin of error is 3.39%. It is calculated versus the total number of employees of the organization. By departments, it shows us the percentage of participation and the margin of error obtained for each department. The larger the participation, the lower the margin of error. We can display this information in a chart and in a table too. Keep in mind that you can download both charts and tables. In the section Categories, we can find also the percentage of participation and the margin of error. This is the statistical validity for each category. For other metadata, the percentage of participation is found versus the total sample. For each metadata question, we have the same information in a table and in a pie chart. And here we have other metadata questions. And this is it for the statistical validation and metadata section. If you want to learn more, visit our InnoQuestion channel in YouTube. Thank you for your attention.